Yo guys, it's Badger here. Today we're gonna have a look at these markers. As you see, there are acrylic markers, which are quite nice because they are capable of drawing on pretty every surface. I would say at least I haven't found anything where they're not working on yet. They work on metal, paper, wood, stone, all that. Let's try if we can focus here. Camera, come on. There we go. They got some nice brushy tip as well, and as you see, color-wise, really strong, really thick. Also, you can do some finer lines as well, if that's something that you're worried about. And all in all, just pretty straightforward, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with them. And I think you can definitely have some cool DIY projects with that. So that's gonna be it for you today, guys. My name is Badger. I will see you around, and until the next video, till then, bye bye and take care.